What's up, fools? Welcome to our video how to slide. As you can see, I already draw some beautiful lines on the road. I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to teach you how to do it the cool way, not the fastest way, because you see a lot of videos where people explain you need to use the front brake a lot so that the rear gets light. And no, we're not going to do that. We're just going to show you how to do it to look cool. First step you need to do is to build up some speed. When I attack a slide, I start in the 4th gear and then I shift down 2 gears. Keep in mind that your hand is on the front brake, just to make sure for the safety that you can overshoot a corner, things like that. Not to use it for the slide, but just for safety. Step 2, the entry of the slide. At this point, I shifted down 2 gears. My hand is on the clutch. Slowly I let my clutch go. Then you feel the engine braking coming in. Be really smooth on the clutch and the rear brake. It's really important. Just take your time, get the feeling for it, because that is the hardest part. And also, please, don't just step on the rear brake that it gets locked up, because most of the time you're fucked and you get off with a high side. Step 3, controlling your hairstyle. Step 3, controlling and maintaining the slide. As you can see from the start, I will slide all the way down to here, and at this point I all the time have the momentum in the rear wheel that it just keeps turning, never block it. When it gets bouncy, grab in the clutch. It's really important to get the feeling with the clutch and the rear brake. The momentum is going and going, and it's really hard. Just keep practicing. Don't want to do it too quick, because then you end up in a ditch. Step 4, the end of the slide. You can let everything go, the front brake, the clutch, the rear brake, and from that point on, you can fully send it. Whoa! Just let everything go and be a hooligan. Nee, dat is echt heel slecht. Filmen. You keep on filming.